When it comes to electric wheelchairs, one name stands out above the rest: the Jazzy Electric Wheelchair Series, made by Pride Mobility, the most trusted manufacturer in the world. Now, make sure you stay tuned until the very end of this video because we've got exclusive hidden footage from a medical trade show that we just attended showing you brand new prototype Jazzy power chairs that aren't even on the market yet. I wasn't supposed to film them, but I did it anyway. And trust me, you're going to want to stay tuned to see these new Jazzy power chairs that completely revolutionize the way you think about electric wheelchairs. Now, every Jazzy model is built for a specific lifestyle and task. From heavy-duty designs like the Jazzy 1450, which supports up to 600 pounds, to the lightweight Jazzy Ultra Light, the most popular folding power chair on the market, and proudly made here in the USA. Pride Mobility is working hard to bring more production back home, building more models right here in America to avoid tariff inflation and keep mobility affordable. They employ thousands of Americans across multiple facilities, ensuring every chair is built with quality, integrity, and care. They don't cut corners when it comes to manufacturing or support. When you need parts or warranty service, they get it done quickly and painlessly. They even include a 1-year in-home repair plan in addition to the warranty for free. And that's why we're proud advocates for Pride Mobility and the entire Jazzy lineup. From the compact Jazzy Evo 613 that turns on a dime, to the airline-friendly Jazzy Carbon, every Jazzy model is engineered for performance, comfort, and peace of mind. When you buy from Mobility Direct, you're backed by a licensed medical equipment provider, an A rating from the Better Business Bureau, and a 5-star rated customer support team that truly cares. Our non-commissioned sales experts don't pressure you. They listen. Their only goal is to help you find the best product for your needs and your budget. Now, don't forget to claim a copy of our free product catalog. It's packed with information of our latest products, discount codes, and a lot more. To claim a copy, you can either call the number below and request one by phone, or go to our website, mobilitydirect.com. Just click on the green button at the top of every page that says Free Catalog and fill out the simple short form. Keep in mind, we've also created in-depth review videos for every Jazzy wheelchair model there is. And it's all available on our website right on the product page in the description section. And if you love learning about mobility products, make sure you check out our YouTube channel, the most information-rich channel in the entire industry, with thousands of videos covering comparisons, tutorials, DIY repairs, and product deep dives. You'll find everything you need to stay informed and confident, whether you're purchasing your very first mobility device or if you're coming back for a second time. When you shop with Mobility Direct, you're not just getting the best prices, tax-free sales, and free shipping, you're helping others. A portion of every sale goes towards our mobility scooter donation program, giving scooters to people who truly need them. Many of these individuals are struggling to get around with a walker or a cane. We show up with a free mobility device and we surprise them with the gift of mobility. Many times we record these donations and put them on our YouTube channel for the world to see it's real. If you want to be a part of this movement, consider shopping at Mobility Direct or telling someone you know who needs a mobility device about Mobility Direct. Together, we can make a difference, one mobility device at a time. Now, remember that secret footage I told you about earlier? Well, you've made it this far, so here's your first look at the future of the Jazzy Power Chair series. This is the upcoming Jazzy 27, weighing just 27 pounds, making it the lightest power wheelchair ever made. It's available in 2 different folding styles. And while this is the prototype, we learned a lot about it, and we got a lot of footage. Now this is the Jazzy Carbon HD, the new heavy-duty carbon model capable of supporting up to 400 pounds while staying remarkably lightweight and portable. We've got a ton of footage of these new game-changing models, but unfortunately, we cannot post it on YouTube just yet. If you want to see more of these upcoming Jazzy chairs before anyone else, send us an email or give us a call with the number below and mention this video. Our non-commissioned sales experts will answer your questions about these products and, upon request, share more exclusive video footage of these incredible new additions to the Jazzy lineup. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on what's coming next. If you're ready to experience the most trusted power wheelchairs on the planet, Call our team today to request your free Mobility Direct catalog. Discover why more people choose Jazzy, power wheelchairs from Mobility Direct, where freedom, comfort, and care come standard. Thank you so much for watching our videos and supporting our channel. We couldn't do it without you. I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Until next time, have a great day.